It's been already 8 years ever since I started my dream in fail this year 2025. Kasi nung taong 2017, I started learning bicycle, running, and swimming. Alam ko na yung tatlong skills na yon to join a triathlon. Yung kailangan ko na lang gawin is to train myself. But pandemic happens, school happens, hindi ko na na-continue yung aking practice sa running, swimming, at cycling. Dahil doon, ayun, tumaba ako. As you can see in the photo, laki ng bilbil ko. And this year lang, kaka-start ko lang ulit. This June, I challenged myself with 31 days of daily walking. And ngayon, I've been finishing marathon and fun run. Yung first marathon ko ever since, yung formal talaga, is way back August 31, 2025. And ngayon, today, September 13, is my first fun run na formal rin. So, why I'm telling this? I'm telling you this because when I started the channel Atomic Path, my aim is for a daily improvement. But even though yun yung aim ko, parang wala pa siyang set a stone na goal, parang ganun. So, dahil doon, I'm thinking na I should document myself in achieving my dream of becoming a triathlete. Hindi man ako maka-podium finish, but at least I become a finisher. So, yung goals ko ngayon is first is to finish a 42 km marathon. Pag nagawa ko na yan, I'll start siguro swimming, and after swimming, magsa-cycling na ako. So, those are the 3 skills na gagawin and na i-learn ko ulit by myself. So, as of now, I'm in 10 km kasi yun yung na-finish ko. As you can see the medals sa likod ko, yung dalawang medals sa baba. That is my 10 km medals because I've been a finisher. So, ayun, malayo pa yung pangarap ko, but I'll keep on doing this, and hopefully, yung mga nanonood sa channel na to is may inspire sa mga gagawin ko. So, this training will be a mixture of a lot of things, like it's not all about my triathlete, but also the journey na experience ko about it. Like for example, if magmamarathon ako, kailangan ko rin siguro mag-gym, I guess, or any calisthenic training that will help me achieve my goal, ultimate goal this 2025 to become a triathlete. Pero since nag-fail ngayon, siguro i-move ko siya for 3 years to 5 years, ganun. 2028 or 2030, hopefully ma-achieve ko na siya. Or mas earlier. So, I hope panoorin nyo itong aking channel and my journey kung gusto nyo lang. And basta i-document ko siya kasi this is Atomic Path, small incremental improvement in my life. So I hope my journey also inspire you to start over kahit na ilang ulit na tayong nag-fail sa mga goals and pangarap natin. And because my journey is a reflection sa journey din ninyo, hopefully makarelate kayo. So yun lang for this video, and yun, I hope you can support me. Bye bye.